Vicky Gutierrez!
Let's get the collar out of the next one.
Kikin! No! There's nothing I could do! Sorry! Silence! I'll try to get you out of here. A simple twist should be enough. Here we go. Yeah!
Kicking Chicken's collar is completely mine alone. Now I have to. What happened? Where did they all go? It looks like someone could have destroyed the glasses. Okay, I really wanted to do things the right way, but it's far too late for that. No one can mess with my plan.
Thank you, Daddy! Watch out!
You're mine.
Retreat! Ouch! Hurry! Bobby fell! Are you kidding? I'm a mess! Don't do it!
Red is my favorite color.
You can use your drawing instead! Bobby! I gotta help her! No, Bobby! Trust me, it's too late! But I don't want her to die! Why are you doing all this to
You all are a part of a big plan.
important than your friends! Ouch!
Absolutely.
I still love you, my friend! Bobby! No! Nothing we could do! Catnap, how did you do this? Bobby!
I heard something around here.
If you find us, we're lost!
I know they shouldn't be too far away. Huh. They must have escaped.